I've been largely working with several kind of different technology companies representing different kind of AI technology, predictive ML, Gen AI, LLM, agentic AI, and Google has pretty much just everything you can think of AI aspect. Yeah, one thing I definitely see is, I think a lot of you probably feel the same way as well, is there is definitely in the past 2 years a lot of pressure from top down, from the market, from board, from leadership to adopt AI. So that's really helpful for me as a profession where it's easy to get a conversation started with prospect customers and everyone just eager to find ways to adopt. And of course the reality, sort of the devil's in the details, and a lot of the customers are in various different we can call it AI maturity stage or readiness, and the adoption or the ramping up curve is varies drastically. And there are all sorts of challenges from technology sort of interoperability between what the vendor has and what the customer is already using. And there also required culture change and changing management to ensure a success of the AI projects. And yeah, there's just so many different challenges, and we see headlines, across the board of, hey, XYZ company, like for example, my wife works at AIG, and then they had big announcements with Anthropic, and seems like they're achieved massive success, and inside there's a lot of frustration. And similarly for every large kind of enterprise I've been working with. And it kind of reminds me something Andrej Karpathy recently said. He said he's been, if you don't know him, he's sort of he used to be the head of AI for Tesla and also one of the founders for OpenAI. And recently he's doing his sort of AI education platform. And he said something recently which is kind of fun and resonates deeply. He said when he worked with a lot of customers around AI consultancy, the first suggestion or first rule he would suggest is don't use AI unless you have to. Which I found kind of amusing, but also sort of deeply resonates, is that there's a lot of pressure for everyone to adopt AI, as if if you don't, you will be lagging behind. That's true, but also kind of thinking strategically and really critically about, hey, how am I actually going to be getting value from it, and really try and search for the right use case. Don't just sort of blindly follow the trend. I think that's incredibly important. Yeah, just one quick thing to share.